Most advisors don't sound like authorities on camera, even when they absolutely are. Today, I'm giving you the exact script we use with independent advisors to build instant trust on video. No awkward intros, no rambling, just a simple structure that works every time. And if you hang around with me until the end, I'll send you a copy of this exact script so you can use it in every video you record, which means no more staring at your phone wondering what to say. Quick context, we work with independent advisors every day on visibility and content systems. And once advisors start using this script, everything levels up. Their clarity, their confidence, and yeah, their videos stop feeling like ransom footage. Here's the real issue. Most advisors default to education mode. They start explaining, they start teaching, they start dumping information. But here's the thing, information doesn't build trust. Trust comes from clarity, from structure, and from leadership. Information might get you a like, clarity gets you a client. So let's fix that. Here's the 5-part script we use to position advisors as trusted authorities without sounding like a TED Talk or a compliance seminar. Part 1, the clarity opening. Start every video with one clear idea. Something like, here's the one thing you need to understand about. It anchors the viewer. It signals direction. It removes overwhelm. Basically, it tells your audience, I'm not going to waste your time. Part 2, the context frame. Next, give quick context to ground them. Use a line like, a lot of people think X, but in reality, context lowers anxiety. It shows you understand the full picture. It builds instant trust. This is where you shift from random finance person online to someone who actually gets it. Part 3, the perspective shift. Now you lead. Say something like, here's the part most people overlook. Or what really matters here is, this is the moment viewers think, oh, this advisor actually sees something I don't. That's what authority sounds like. Part 4, the simple framework. Time to bring order to the chaos. Say, there are 3 steps. Here's how to think about this. Let me break this down simply. Give them a quick 2 to 4 step process they can visualize. You're not here to teach everything. You're here to organize it clearly, confidently, visually. Part 5, the takeaway line. Close strong. Use a line like, if you take nothing else away from this, or here's what matters most. This reinforces your authority, and it makes the message stick without over-explaining. And that's the full script. Clarity, context, perspective, framework, takeaway. Use this in every video. After a few reps, it becomes muscle memory fast. And once it clicks, you'll never go back to guessing what to say on camera again. Here's why this script works so well. It gives your videos structure, it gives your viewers clarity, and it gives your brand leadership, which, if we're honest, are the only 3 things that move the needle when someone's trying to decide who to trust. If you want the full written script, examples, and templates, they're inside the Advisor Visibility Kit. It's free, it's actually helpful, and it makes recording so much easier. Now that you know what to say inside your videos, the next challenge is keeping people watching, because most advisors lose the viewer in the first 10 seconds, and they don't even realize why. So next, I'm going to show you the 5 editing mistakes that quietly destroy retention and how to fix all of them. It's a game changer once you see it.